messages. I may even be it. Morning. It's like, if I fix me realize good to the followers them. Me good to them follow me who aren't able to comment. So me just feel like that. And block the people who are disrespecting them different language and shit. Me can't make my people them suffer because of other people. That's my try though. So the people them now come. So if I go and set it back like that and just take out two, me can't take out one by one because the people won't be able to go to them won't be able to say nothing and that's not right. Because how them just watching and can't say nothing. It make no sense. They want to watch and enjoy themselves and talk about shit and laugh too, I mean, you know. Yeah, I know. I don't wake up good this morning, man. I wake up miserable this morning. I must tell you all, I'm miserable. I wake up like this. I wake up like this. Not happy. I'm not broke. I'm not shelterless. Why I'm not happy? Why in my sleep I feel like I would have committed suicide? Why am I feeling that in my sleep? Because I eat them damn wings. I told you about them damn wings make your children kill people, you know. Them damn wings make you go to prison for life. You don't even know what happened to you. I feel like I'm on drugs, like I'm high. I'm feeling ignorant, man. If me ever have God for prayer and hold me together, I say, Father, help me. Me jump to run right through the window. Let me tell you something. You see me? Now, never not fool me now. No more donation for those wings. Donation for kale, apple, and stuff. I am not even going to eat another one of them shits. My tongue all white after I brush my teeth. The shit poison me. I'm in my sleep. I want to throw the bed out the street. I want to run through the glass, through the window, and jump in the middle of the street. All I did was eat some damn wings. Y'all, it's not funny. Y'all gotta see this shit. I was ready to jump through the damn window while it's closed in the middle of the street. Off my bed and feel like I just jump through the damn window. That's the wing, honey. That's the damn wing want me to fly out of here. No, it's not a joke. It's a serious matter. So you know what? God damn you this morning. You wanna kill me? I'll kill you first. You wanna kill me? Want to kill me this morning? Kill me, yeah. See the damn wing there, yeah? Not the fridge, I wait for today. No more telephone. No more to the garbage bag there. No more telephone. No, just scunt all. One wing, garbage. 2 wing, and a scunt, you know? 3 wing, 4 wing, 5 wing, 6 wing, 7 wing, 8 wing, 9 mother scunt. Here the garbage, man. Nah, still like a drunk. Where is the cornbread in this mother scone? You. Look at the black people. Look at the poor people. You know what, kid. I kill me this man. I kill this continue. Scunt. Damn shit. Damn shit, me tell you, man. When you see your kids act like that in the house because you tell them to eat all this shit. It's killing me. It's killing me. It lives inside of me. It lives inside. I'm gonna wash these. I'm gonna take a shower. And I'm gonna wash these cons. Baby girl, I got you. Oh no, I left you yesterday. And I went to kill myself. And I have you here. It's not like I don't have you here, baby. Oh! And look what I did yesterday. Spent $42 for nothing. Oh God, thank you for Mother Nature. Lord, forgive me for what I've done. With these nasty hot stick away. They stick it to your dead, Lord. They stick it to your dead, Lord. Forgive me. Amen. So, I feel so good to destroy the demons that want to destroy me first. I feel so good to destroy your demons of darkness before you destroy me first. Okay, guys, I love you. I'm going to take a shower and brush up my teeth and stuff and make me some kale so I could feel better. Damn thing poisoned me, hanging around to tempt me to poison me. I love you. I gotta go. I gotta take a shower. I gotta go tell you what's going on. Then my bleaching cream don't look the same. Look at my hair. Look at the wings was fighting me. Look at my hair. I tell them thing was fighting me messily. Look at my hair. Look at how I look. You know I was in some fight, girl. I don't look like this now. I'm the month and I look more shiny and bright. I look dull. I look like 80. I went to bed at freaking 44 and wake up at 80 because of wings. And I was still on the phone too. Look at this. Nasty. All that sweet grease. But sticky. Nasty. So, remember when you're going to eat the wing, provide for problem in your life. Whatever you're going through is going to get worse. Thank you. I'm going to take a shower and I'll get back to you. Mwah.